channel. It is a late one tonight. Tonight I am going to film for you a recipe video because we all love having a good old chat in the kitchen whilst I cook some delicious treats. I don't really want dinner, I just want dessert. Jem, how do you feel about that?
No.
We're having dessert for dinner. I've been wanting to try out a recipe from this amazing Instagrammer, amazing person in general. I just love watching her journey and how she is progressing. Very, very open. Better Being Steph. I've been chatting with her on the IGs for quite some time. Never actually met her in person, but I feel like I've known her. So anyway, I have been drooling over these recipes for such a long time now, and like honestly, all right, I'm gonna put it on my screen like here. I'm gonna like do it. Like, look at this. Isn't it great? It's the best. So now I have to find something that I can cook and that I have the ingredients to possibly, otherwise I'm going out to Woolworths because I need to anyway because my favorite tuna is on special. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. It's a protein Twix bar. Anyway, just do yourself a favor, head over to her website, betterbeingsteph.com.au, and you'll be able to help yourself out. She's currently working on an ebook though, so that's going to be exciting when she releases that. And she also has her own blends. So if you're like me and so not organized with your life, you can just get her blends and make your own recipes that away. But I'm definitely feeling something quick, easy. She's got so many good single serve dishes. I've been talking for a very long time. I feel like I just need to get to the video. How do we feel about what do I want?
What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want?
I've always wanted to try the scrolls, so I'm scrolling on the scrolls. God. Scrollsing for scrolls. That's my thumbnail. Scrollsing for scrolls. I think I'm gonna go with Snickers. This is what we need. Coconut flour, protein powder I have, cacao powder, almond milk, baking powder I don't have, apple cider vinegar I don't have. I definitely have smooth peanut butter. Unfortunately, yes, that is in my cupboard. Salted caramel protein, which I have something similar, and optional crushed peanuts. Let's just go on a little shopping adventure, shall we? Okay, bye. I mean, that's on special. This is on special? Yes, girl, yes. Is that best price? I don't know. Fire cider. Do it, sticky. And then, just one more thing that we need, which I didn't say before, is baking powder soda. Ooh. Special. And finally, it's like a small one. You will do. We need some of this bad boy stuff. Right. Mixing bowl, and we need a second mixing bowl. How about this bad boy? This is cute. Okay, so we're gonna start with all the dry ingredients. So this is the fun, this is the joys of working with me because I'm all over the place. You don't know what I'm gonna say. You don't know what I'm gonna do. I have literally had this organic coconut flour since we moved, well, since I moved to Adelaide, but since we're in Crayford together. So we're calling for 20 grams here. 20 grams of coconut flour, check. Then we need 30 grams of this protein. Now, Steph is like an ambassador for Happy Whey, so she uses Happy Whey like all the time. If you guys are after Happy Whey protein, which is vegan protein, you can head on over to her link in the description because that will sort you out. Grateful that this was on special. 1, 2, 3, teaspoon of this bad boy. All the dry elements in a bowl. 100 mils of almond milk. Now, a lot of people use organic almond milk. I'm basic worst bitch when it comes to this because this was on special and I like the flavor. So 100 mils. Oh yes, yeah girl, got it, get it. And 1 teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar, which I'll find multiple uses for, I'm sure of it. Okay, now I'm stirring. Ooh, it's like bubbling up. I don't know how to feel. Is it meant to be like dough? I don't even know. Hey Jen.
Hey, Lee.
This to me does not look like a dough consistency, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more protein. That's what I think. Maybe a little bit of why can't I just like, what if? It's my recipe there. Almost there, almost there. One of the best life tips that I have ever been taught is to clean as you go. That one's free today. We're rolling it out. Like, let's just like fingers cross this and roll it out. So I guess the last time I did a video cooking with you guys, I was very open and honest about my goals in terms of wanting to be fitter and also wanting the freedom to be myself. So I have kind of found a balance for me in terms of like being realistic, tracking, but not letting it control my life. And even though I would like to say that this has solved everything for me, it hasn't really done so yet because I still have my trigger points. I guess I'm just a human being and like trying to live a normal lifestyle, but the hardest thing for me has been accepting that love is not something that you can generate for yourself, that is purely a physical thing. Love is every aspect of you. It shouldn't be defined by how you look, it should be how you feel and the relationships that you have, like with yourself and other people. And yeah, I think that's an ongoing, continual progression of life, and you're continually learning. And one of my good friends, Joe, I know you'll be watching, sent me a beautiful voice message reminding me of this, which I'm so grateful for. Is that like any relationship, the relationship that you have with yourself is developing on a daily basis, and you're constantly learning things about yourself. It's all important and valid. Yeah, I think I might be butchering it a little bit, but I don't know. It tastes delicious. So let's do the filling, guys. I've been giving myself such a hard time about not being who I used to be physically, and not realizing that I'm experiencing growth right now and being okay with that. And yeah, I should have melted that first. Pro tip, melt your peanut butter first before you make that mistake. She also makes a comment of like putting some rice malt syrup, but for me, I think I'm gonna use my old favorite to get the filling going. Everybody loves this. Oh my goodness. Can we all just take a moment to appreciate? Everybody loves a good drizzle corn, right? Okay, I think that's about as good as that one's gonna get. I'm gonna add some cacao nibs. Just a little sprinkling of crunch, because who doesn't like a bit of crunch in there? Goodnessy. Time for some rolling.
For me is all new. Please work.
All right, and just as life should have it, not everything works out the way that you expect it to. This is proving to be a little bit of a mess. Like my life. The dough is just a little bit soft. So I don't know how scrollsy it's gonna work for me, but you know, I'm trying here. If I haven't already plugged it, for better, more appropriate, more pro baking, check out Steph, because she knows how it's done. Yeah. Okay, it's like a little log. I'm gonna cut it like, and hope for the best. Real life behind the scenes, guys. Gotta just cut it. Oh, I guess it's kind of scrollsy. Look at that. I think I put it on my hand. I forgot on my pants.
In you go. Okay, I'll see you in 15 minutes. Bye.
It's a little behind the scenes of the scenes. Now I can pack this stuff away because cleaning as you go is all it. All cleaned up in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, so clean and fresh. And all before it's even finished. Like it's not even good. It's not even out of the oven yet. It's not even out. We got like 5 minutes to go.
Look at it rise. So as I was cleaning up, I totally found out something that I forgot in my recipe. So comment below if you've watched this far and you know what I forgot. So this concludes my my video. I'm here and I'm about to do a taste testing. I don't usually use a big spoon because I haven't graduated yet from the Teaspoon Academy, and yeah, so I'm just gonna dig in
and let you know if I am worthy of baking Better Being Steph's delicious recipes. I don't know why my camera's not focusing today, but focus. It honestly was like so moist, and I can't, maybe I just need to do natural lighting. Natural lighting is totally what I need to be doing more often. So here's the first taste test. Oh my god. Guys, this is so good. Steph, you're a mastermind. And you know what? Even though the recipe was like a little bit, yes. Even though it was a little bit moist, it still tastes really good. So anyway, what I wanted to say with my mouth full is that wherever you are on your journey of self-love, all these things, you're doing good, kid. You're doing good. And don't be so hard on yourself. Yes, that I'm talking to myself about. Do things that you love and live your life good. Okay? So you're doing fine, you're worthy, and you're beautiful, and comment below if you want to see more of these videos. This was a really last minute one. I've been working full time so hard. And I just had to get something up for you guys. And I've been wanting to try Steph stuff forever. So I'll see you in the next video, which we're going camping. So yeah.
Are we?
Are we?
Are we?
Are we?